Hi, I'm Dianne Bailey, the creator of the Open the Door to Tai Chi system. And this video is for you if you're interested in Tai Chi, because we want to help you understand what you need to know to get started with Tai Chi. I teach Tai Chi here in my studio. I actually teach people how to teach it and get them certified as well. It's what Open the Door is all about, is we want Tai Chi to be accessible to everyone. Tai Chi is not difficult to learn. You might think it's intimidating just because it's different from other forms of exercise, but it's actually very gentle on your joints, and it is easy to learn the movements. It's something that we do with Open the Doors. We break apart learning the different movements, and we layer the learning so that you learn the movements, and then you learn the form, and then you learn the underlying principles which really drive the benefits of Tai Chi. It's fun after class that the benefits that people often talk to me about, they're surprised at how quickly they start to enjoy Tai Chi, because they come to me and they say, I knew that I needed to be more balanced, and within a couple weeks they're saying, oh my gosh, I am really much more balanced. I tripped a little bit in my house and I caught myself. I can see how Tai Chi is really helping me. Tai Chi is really very accessible. There's no special equipment, there's no special flooring, there's no special shoes that you need. You can do this. It can fit into your exercise routine now. If you're not exercising at all, it's the perfect place to start. If you are exercising, it's actually a really good cross training, because it's that gentle form of exercise that can complement your other exercise. You don't have to worry if you've had a hip replacement or a shoulder replacement or you have knee issues. Tai Chi is gentle on your joints, and you can modify the movements. You don't have to do things perfectly, and you don't have to be a super athlete to do Tai Chi. I really encourage you to find a class for Tai Chi. We have certified Open the Door instructors all around the world. But if you can't find a class, or if you feel like you just want to try a little bit at home, we also have the daily series, where it's perfect for beginners to get started with Tai Chi in the comfort of their own home. Tai Chi is something that you can do every day. It's something that you can do for 10 minutes at a time. It doesn't have to be a long exercise session. You can also come to class once a week or twice a week. It's very flexible and it's easy to fit into your lifestyle. If you'd like to see some Tai Chi in action, enjoy this brief portion of our daily series. So now we get to put these movements into the flow of the form. And I'll talk through and remind you of those principles that I want you to think about to keep you balanced. So you're going to start standing nice and tall. Take a good deep breath in. Breathe it out, sink into your knees. Bringing your weight over to the right so that your left becomes empty. You can step out with the left, bring the left all the way, weight all the way over to the left, and then center yourself. Preparation. Now thinking about your columns, bring your weight all the way over onto this right column, and you get to lift the left knee. Then you bring the weight all the way over to the left column and lift the right knee. So it's columns and substantial and insubstantial, because this leg that you're lifting becomes the insubstantial leg. It becomes empty, and so it's easy to lift. Then bringing the weight all the way down to the right, you're going to step out into your brush knee. We're going to do brush knee 4 times. Thinking about your substantial and insubstantial as you rock back and forth, keeping your shoulders above your hips, moving from the dantian, and keeping your eyes on the horizon. Moving right into pheasant stance. Remember that support.